Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Myntri ba ka Jillau Conrad ki sangma ula pentip bahaka kan rotru kelalingkot arajar posan unselet Ïakynduh yu Myntri ka Sorkar India bukmi ye Tnat railway banyakan halo gajing berwanra iklintirel sharilum khasi bajayantia nakada gajing persha nikikin huan repair hagajing ekran mikilat putai kubor Conrad sangma ulong ba ka Sorkar ka zakot ekran biang nikikin huan repair krilum khasi bajayantia lanegaro Shwaban shim yaka nukarai namar baga jingwan jangkarel. Kan kintiu hi yaka yokokot jigipat ba nong shosh nong kajilla.
I'm meeting the Honorable Railway Minister day after tomorrow, and as mentioned, we have faced challenges and concerns in certain parts of Khasi Hills in terms of the railway, and a lot of apprehensions are there, and we have reiterated in the press and in all forums that whatever decision we take, it will be with the confidence of the people of the region and the state and different organizations, and we will try our best to address those issues and only then move forward with the railway lines in the region. So in other parts of the state also, similarly, we will consult with the stakeholders, whether it's Jaintia Hills or whether it's Garo Hills. We will consult with stakeholders and only then we will move forward. But just identification of possible routes, that could benefit the state and the people and the overall economy. Possible identification of those routes are of course happening, but any kind of solid action on that or movement on that will only take place once we are incorporated discussion with the stakeholders and the people at large, and only then we'll move forward. But as a government, obviously we have discussed, we indicated like this is an area which we should examine, we should look at. And once that kind of a roadmap is there in front of us, we will broaden the discussions and engage with people. Yes, very true. We have been in fact discussing about this, and that's the reason we passed a resolution also. We are the only government that has passed a resolution in the assembly, and this is a strong message to the entire demand that has been there that we need this. But of course, as I said, the mandate to give the ILP is not with the state government, it is with the central government. And hence, for us to say that it will happen is difficult. We can keep pushing at the government of India level, but it's not something that I can give an assurance for. But your point is valid, and that is the point that we have been talking to Government of India also, that if this one step is taken, it paves the way for many other kinds of issues to be resolved, and it should be considered, and that's the reason we passed the resolution also. So we are, understanding that. But at the same time, we have to also look at the impact on the economy as a whole and see all the issues that are there and find ways and means in which, even though this ILP may come up, and if Government of India grants us, we should ensure that it does not impact our tourist flow, does not impact our economy, and the common people whose livelihood depends on tourism today are not impacted in any negative manner.